I've got an exciting student champion with us, pretty hoot-worthy stuff going on. So please tell us your name, your grade, and how long you've been at GCA.
I'm Alaina Davis. I'm in 5th grade, and I've been in GCA for a year.
So you got mom here with you, and it looks like y'all got these cool shirts on. You got the cool backdrop or painting or virtual physical stuff. Can you tell me a little bit about what is this t-shirt backdrop y'all have? Tell us about it.
This is her official backdrop for when she do her videos and her YouTube things. But yeah, she's the owner of STEM Powered Kits. It's a STEM program and activities that supports creative thinking and learning and tinkering.
Thinking, learning, and tinkering. So STEM Powered Kits. This is the name of your small business, Elena, right? This backdrop for your videos. So you have a YouTube channel. I'm assuming that that's STEM Powered Kits. Is that the name, or did y'all do something else for the YouTube channel?
That's the name, STEM Powered Kits.
All right. So how'd y'all come up with this name? Where did that come along? Were y'all just kind of brainstorming around, or did it hit you like a lightning bolt? What happened?
Well, the name is STEM Powered Kits because STEM does a lot of things in the world as it is. And I thought it'd be a great idea for the name. And we are also doing lots of STEM kits. So I added that.
So this idea for STEM Powered Kits, I understand that you're saying, so STEM, people know what you're talking about, right? What does it stand for?
Science, technology, engineering, and math.
Okay, so you've got this science, technology, engineering, and math powered kit. So where did this idea come from? Why do you have this business?
While I was doing a science project on electric circuits, I decided to record me putting one together. And when I showed it to my mom, she said I was a natural and I was really good at that. So I wanted it to be my business.
You were a natural at what? The video that you did, putting it together, this thing?
All of it.
all of it. Okay. So what and why were you even doing this to begin with? Was this just like something you wanted to do or for fun? You said it was an assignment. Was this a Georgia Cyber Academy assignment?
It was a Georgia Cyber Academy assignment.
And so the teacher said this is it was a STEM kit that was sent to y'all, or this was something y'all did online, or you totally made it up? What was this assignment? How did it come about?
Actually, it was an assignment. They were going over electrical circuits. And I think it was to do like either a diagram or a slideshow or something like that. And she wanted to make it fun. So she was like, "Can I do a video?" And I'm like, "Okay, sure." And that's kind of really how it went. She did a video and I looked over it before we turned it in. I was like, "Okay, you're really good at this." I never heard her voice on camera or her voice combined with teaching on camera. And it was just really good.
So you do this electric circuit thing, you're teaching on this channel. So how does that morph into now a business? Like what are you selling? Are you selling the kits themselves? Like what is your product, Elena?
Well, all the products are on my website, www.stempoweredkits.com. And they all go from elementary school to high school. And
I'm sorry.
The best seller we have is the solar powered race car.
That is so neat. That's a solar powered race car. And so if somebody wanted to build that, show it to me again, please. If somebody wanted to build this solar powered race car, it doesn't come like that. So you sell, what do you sell? You sell all the pieces to make that?
Yeah, she actually sells all the pieces. It comes in this really cool box that she also designed. On the front, it says, "Today is a great day to learn something new."
Oh, yeah.
So each kit comes, this is a different kit, but it comes with instructions. So on the back of it is actually a link that goes to the exact tutorial that she made for each kit. So they can actually put together the race car along with her.
Oh, so that's another thing you're doing, Elena. So you're actually building these kits along. You already pre-recorded yourself building that solar powered race car, for example. And so me, if I'm like, I don't know how to build this thing, I bought it and I'm like, what do I do? It's upside down. I don't know what's going on. I put the wheels wherever. I can go under that little scan. Is it a QR code? Is it something that will take me to the QR code to take me to, and I get to watch you teach me how to do it.
Yeah.
Putting it together.
And this is a cool one she has too. Yeah. A wind powered car. So we put this together and it's actually powered by the wind.
No kidding. And so Elena, you did the pieces, you did the design, you did or mom help with any of this, or how did this kind of form with being like, okay, this solar powered car, this wind powered car here?
It's a lot of going back and forth. She has ideas, I have ideas, and we kind of figure out the best way of getting it manufactured and getting it, to our customer and to our students.
Okay. So how many products do you have right now, Elena? I see this cool windmill car, the solar powered car. Are they all vehicles or do you have any other items?
We also have the balloon car and the electric circuit kit, of course. And we also have one as a lemon battery.
A lemon battery? You don't eat the lemon though, yeah?
When you're done.
No, okay. So when you're done, we don't do that. So how long have y'all been open? I mean, you look like the kit is very well done here. The box that you showed me, instructions come in. You got your YouTube videos ready to go. You got the great backdrop, the t-shirts. How long have you all been open?
It's been about 2 months now.
2 months. And so have y'all had any stories, Elena? Like I know that you're coming on talking to me with this GCA Hootworthy, the Georgia Cyber Academy. Has anybody else caught wind of what you're doing? And have you had any opportunities to talk to any other news?
I did have an interview with Creative Coast and the WTLC. I also recently partnered with Decatur Makers. They have a STEM program for girls, and they want me to supply their program. And they're also going to let me teach some classes.
No kidding. Are you pumped about that?
I am.
Yeah. And this all came about because of an assignment with Georgia Cyber Academy.
Yeah.
Who was the teacher?
Mr. Anderson.
Mr. Anderson. So does Mr. Anderson know all about these different kits you've been building and coming out with and all these different press and good releases you're getting, this exposure?
He doesn't know about it.
He doesn't, or he does?
He doesn't.
Well, he'll know after he's
we're going to tell him now. So you didn't send him a solar powered race car, huh? To build for you. So you got mom helping you. You had the assignment. Obviously, you have been a natural with this STEM stuff, building these things and teaching everybody. You're going to be doing this. What did you say that was? Is it a camp that for girls doing STEM? Is that what it is?
It's a STEM program. It's going to be virtual.
So it's a virtual program. So it's not a camp. It's like an actual school, like a extra program, extracurricular thing.
Well, actually, they are the only multi-age makerspace, community makerspace in Georgia. So actually, she thought she was doing one program. She actually is going to be doing a few different programs. And they do everything from textiles to STEM to woodworking, 3D printing, like everything you can think of under one big roof. It's like a 2,500 square foot facility in Decatur, Georgia.
Very neat. Do you have like any other plans in the making of like, I really want to do this? So you have these teaching opportunities with these other organizations. What kind of plans do you have also, if any, Alaina, for this
My
STEM-powered kids?
plan is to inspire the next set of innovators for a very long time. So they
Yeah,
create something new, and who knows, they might create something really cool.
that is so cool. I think you're creating something really cool for sure, and inspiring these other students, especially learning about STEM and getting to build these different products. So the interviews that you've done, the stories that you've done, can people watch those? Where do they need to go if they want to see these different news stories that you've already done?
They can go to my website if they want to see it.
Also, social media and their website. So if you go to WTOC.com or Creative Coast, it's also on their websites as well.
What has been like a favorite thing about being at GCA with this STEM-powered kids?
Well, it's helped me with my business, and also is really fun to be at the school.
I think the favorite part is probably not having to wake up so early to catch the bus.
Yeah, no more catching the bus, huh? That is nice. So love that y'all came on, shared this story with us. And they can go to STEMpoweredKits.com to learn more about, and the YouTube channel, STEM Powered Kits, what you're doing here. Any shout outs, Elena, that you want to give before we end?
I want to give shout out to my grandparents, my little brother, my little sister, my cousins, my aunties, my uncles. My dad. I have a lot of family.
Yeah, shouting out the family. Well, I'm sure that they're super proud of you, as we are at GCA, representing us, champion over here, Hootworthy, and for sure coming on. And I know Mom is proud of you as well. And Mom, anything you want to share with us about anything about this story that Elena hasn't shared before we go?
She did create a discount code for her entire GCA family, so they can get 15% off. GCA Fam 15. So definitely take advantage of it and share your experiences. Tag her on Instagram and Facebook so we can see all the cool creations.
GCA Fam 15, writing it down. Oh, and you're holding something up for us, Elena. What's that there?
This is a little note that goes into every box.
It's a letter from her that she wrote to kind of inspire them to continue to create and grow and learn.
This is so cool. And don't forget to tinker, right? Got to make sure we're tinkering. So thank you all so much again for coming on, being Hootworthy over here, Elena. Can't wait to see what's coming up next. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.